and welcome to another video. So today I want to make a little DIY hand tamper. So I've got a little bit of tamping that I need to do with some soil, and I started looking around at stores to go purchase a hand tamper, and I was actually really surprised that these things, you can see here, they run between $50 and like $70, and it's a really simple tool. So I'm going to see if I can make one out of a sledgehammer, and I also got a 2x6. I cut it to about a 8-inch long piece, and now I'm going to go take some safety / tie wire and see if we can just drill a couple of holes in this and then attach the sledgehammer to it. So give me a second to do that and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here we go. It's not too bad. That tie wire worked pretty well. Just ended up just cutting a little bit of this and then twisting it up. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of duct tape around here so I don't poke myself on the sharp edges of the wire, and then let's go out and give this thing a try. All right, let's see how this works. Yeah, I think this is working quite well. See, check this out. I'll show you some of these areas that it's tamped down, and yeah, you can see it's definitely working. Okay, let's do a larger area now. Okay, so I ended up making one more addition to this. So earlier the sledgehammer handle was, I don't know, 3 feet or something like that. So it was actually pretty cumbersome to have to hold it down here and tamp. So I just went ahead, got another rod. I tie wired and kind of added some duct tape to kind of get some stability, just so that you could have a better ergonomics of tamping at this height without having to hunch over. So this actually works quite well now. Right, so this is a lot easier like this, as opposed to having to hold it down here and bend over. So let's just keep going. So I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch me labor for an hour and a half, but this is about a 250 square foot area that I needed to tamp down, and I think this is about as big as you would want to do by hand. Anything larger, I think it probably makes sense to just bite the bullet and pay the overhead and rent a professional tamping plate compactor. All right, so about an hour later and a lot of strikes, I've got this whole pad tamped down, and again, this worked out surprisingly well. Again, see, check this out. This looks pretty darn good. Everything's tamped down, the soil's pretty firm. Yeah, this thing held up pretty darn well. I mean, it's a little bit loose. You can see that this the tie wire is a little bit loose, but it doesn't seem to affect the dynamics. So overall, I think this is a pretty successful little DIY hand tamper. Easy way to save yourself $50. So hope the video was helpful. All right, I think I'll sign off. Thanks, bye.